Hey, in this video I'm gonna show you how to bind off stitches, so the easiest way to end your project. So I have about 10 stitches here on my needle. So first what you want to do is knit the two first stitches. So you would have 2 stitches on your right hand needle. So when you have that, you can start the bind off. To bind off, first what you need to do is bring the second stitch you have on your needle over the first one. So for that I go in with my left hand needle to the second stitch on my right hand needle and pull it over the first one. When that's done, I let go of the loop. So now I have 1 stitch left. Next I would need to knit the next stitch I have on my left hand needle, so I would once again have 2 stitches, and to bind off I will bring the second stitch over the stitch I just knitted, like this. Now once again 1 stitch left. I will work another one, and with the help of my left hand needle bring this stitch over the first stitch. So this is it. Let's continue. Let's work all the stitches that I have on my left hand needle till you come to the last one. So now when I have 1 stitch left here, to finish your piece you just need to cut a yarn and pull it through the loop. So end it with the knot, and there you have it. So if you find this video helpful, please do like, subscribe